Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Rey Del Mundo Choix Supreme. I'm sorry if I can't pronounce this correctly. This box is from July 2024 and it was purchased from Cigars. This box cost £775. And this again is another cigar that's on the Habanos portfolio, but I think is very underrated. Let's open this up and have a look. And here we have the usual English market selection from Hunters and Francois, which is an extra quality control check on these cigars. There you go. I've already tried one of these. These are light to medium cigars, a ring gauge of 48 and 5 inches length. And these cigars are long filler cigars, and definitely not something that you see every day in the hands of cigar smokers, but I think these are incredible cigars and something that cigar aficionados should know about and should definitely be aware, because these are something which is definitely, I would say, a unicorn, because they're full of flavors and they're just a really enjoyable smoke in my opinion. They come in boxes of 25 and I don't think there's that much to say about these cigars besides for the fact that they're incredible and I really enjoy them. So that will be it for today. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.